Elia made this graph to show the relationship between the number of ounces of water and the number of ounces of pancake mix in a recipe. Which statement describes the unit rate in terms of ounces of pancake mix per ounce of water based on Elia's graph? So the unit rate is ounces of pancake mix. So the unit rate is ounces of pancake mix compared to ounces of water. When we look on the graph, we notice a point of intersection of the line on the graph, and that point of intersection is the point 5,4. And so what that represents is this, is that the x-axis is 5, or 5 ounces of water, as compared to the 4 ounces of pancake mix. So that's our ratio that we're working with that known point on the graph of 5,4. So let's go ahead and read the problems or possible solutions. It says this: the unit rate is 4/5 ounce of pancake mix per 1 ounce of water because the graph passes through 5,4. Knowing that this is the unit rate of 4/5 and the graph goes through the point 0, 0 or the origin, we can set up an equation of y equals 4/5 times x, where y is the pancake ounces of pancake mix, and x is ounces of water. Well, with our problem, it reads the unit rate is 4/5 ounce of pancake mix per 1 ounce of water. So we're just going to go ahead and substitute in for x. We're going to substitute in for x that 1 for the 1 ounce of water, and when we multiply that, we know that that answer is going to be 4/5. And so that would mean that for every 1 ounce of water, we have 4/5 ounce of pancake mix, so that is actually correct. So A is correct. Well, let's go ahead and look at B, C, and D to see how those are not. The unit rate is 1 ounce of pancake mix per 1 ounce of water. Well, that's not true because we know it's 4/5, and also it does not pass through 1/3 1, so that doesn't work. The next one, the unit rate is 2/3 ounces. Well, we know that's not true because the unit rate we know is 4/5. And then the last one, the unit rate is 1.2 ounces of pancake mix per 1 ounce of water. Well, that's kind of a distractor. They've just flipped it because we know that it passes through the origin at 5,4. So none of those work. This is Yo-Yo Juice Sticks showing you one way to solve this problem. You may have another way. As long as you understand it and can communicate it to others and they understand it, then you have a great way to solve a problem.